Hey, yo, what is going on, everybody? Josh Quinones here with Everything Android, and we finally have a live leaked video of the Galaxy S9. Now, it is not the longest video. It is only about 10 seconds long. I'm replaying it here for you guys so you guys can get a good look at it. Now, as you can see, it is kind of missing the top portion of the device, but we do get a pretty good look at the rest of the display. The bottom bezel, as you can see, it is just a bit thinner than what we have on the Galaxy S8. Just by looking at it, it is kind of hard to differentiate the two, as there is no major changes from what we know so far. But as you can see here, they just made this short video basically showing us how responsive the display is when typing. Hopefully we get more leaks. You know, launch date is just right around the corner, and usually the closer we get to launch date, more and more leaks just keep coming. So you guys, this is only just the beginning of these live leaks of this device. Hopefully we get more that actually show them maybe doing some screen to screen, swiping the screen, going in and out of apps to show how really snappy this device is. Maybe some rear videos as well, showing, you know, the back of the phone, the cameras, fingerprint sensor, all that. I'm sure we can expect more leaks for this device coming soon. Like I said, this is just the beginning, but what do you guys think so far just watching this video? Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm excited for this device. Even though there is no major changes from the Galaxy S8, I am still excited, and I can't wait to see what this device has to offer. But like always, guys, leave your comments and your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come, and leave a thumbs up on this video if you liked anything I had to say. Thank you guys again for watching. This is Josh Quinones with Everything Android, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.